If you've avoided water filtration because it seems complicated or installation intensive, these apartment-friendly systems will completely change your perspective. Discover which filters combine hassle-free installation with superior contaminant removal, delivering clean water in minutes without the complexity, commitment, or damage risks of conventional systems. Links to the best price for each water filter mentioned are in the description box below. If you live in an apartment and want seriously clean, fresh-tasting water without the hassle, the Epic Pure Water Filter Pitcher is definitely worth a look. You get crisp, great-tasting water that's free from chlorine odors and odd aftertastes. The filter removes up to 99.9% of common tap water contaminants, including fluoride, PFAS, heavy metals, and microplastics. The design is apartment-friendly and space-efficient, fitting easily on most fridge shelves with its 10-cup capacity. Refilling is simple with a flip-top lid that lets you use one hand, and there's an LED timer on the lid that counts down from 90 days, so you always know exactly when it's time to swap out the filter. Each filter gives you around 150 gallons of clean water, which can replace more than 1,000 plastic bottles. If you're trying to cut down on single-use plastics, this pitcher helps you make a noticeable dent. The materials are BPA and BPS free, and the filter itself is made from medical-grade polypropylene. The pitcher is tested to meet NSF and ANSI standards 42, 53, 401, and P 473, so it covers a wide range of contaminant reduction. Pouring is easy thanks to a flip spout, and you can see how much water remains to be filtered in the clear upper reservoir. Maintaining the filter is straightforward. Just replace it every 3 to 4 months depending on usage. There's even a recycling program for used filters, so if you care about sustainability, you're covered. The company also supports environmental nonprofits and local cleanups, so you can feel good about making the switch. When living in an apartment, you need something easy to use but effective, and the clearly filtered water pitcher really fits that role. You just fill it from your tap, and it's designed to target over 365 different contaminants, including things apartment dwellers commonly worry about, like lead, chlorine, fluoride, PFAS, and arsenic. Unlike typical pitchers that handle only a handful of problems, this one offers much broader protection. The pitcher has a 10-cup capacity, so you won't need to keep refilling after every glass. Despite its large capacity, it's lightweight and fits easily in most fridge doors. Its materials are 100% free of BPA, BPS, and phthalates, and it doesn't contain estrogen or androgen activity, so you don't need to worry about chemicals leaching into your water. You'll notice that your filter lasts for about 100 gallons, which is typically about 4 months. That's a lot fewer replacements compared to other pitchers. The filtration system uses a combination of advanced media and a dynamic water pathway that trap contaminants as water passes through. For people who are particular about the taste and safety of their water, it's helpful that this pitcher doesn't strip out good minerals, just the harmful stuff. As one of the best apartment water filters on the market, it's made in the USA with medical-grade Triton, so you're getting a sturdy and reliable product. If you're after a no-fuss way to drink clean water every day in your apartment, this is a straightforward choice. Next up on my best water filter for apartment use list, if you're looking for something fast and easy to use, the Aquasana clean water machine offers a hassle-free setup that just sits on your countertop. You don't need to mess with the plumbing or installation, and it's as simple as plugging in and filling up the reservoir. When you need a glass of water, it filters and dispenses 8 ounces in about 8 seconds. That's noticeably quicker than using traditional gravity-fed pitcher filters, so you won't be waiting around when you're thirsty. The Clean Water Machine uses Clarium selective filtration technology. That means it's certified to remove contaminants like microplastics, lead, mercury, pesticides, and pharmaceuticals, as well as reduced chlorine and chloramines. Despite how much it removes, it still lets the good minerals, such as calcium and magnesium, pass through, giving you water that tastes fresh and clean. Each filter can handle up to 300 gallons before you need a replacement, which is 7.5 times longer than many popular pitcher filters. Over its lifespan, you'll help prevent over 2,200 single-use water bottles from going to waste, making it an environmentally friendly alternative. The compact Scandinavian-inspired design takes up little space, smaller than most microwaves, and the machine itself is built from BPA-free food-grade plastic. It's lightweight, easy to move, and fits comfortably in kitchens, offices, or even dorms. Using the clean water machine is straightforward. Press a button, and you get clean water for drinking, cooking, pets, or whatever else you need. With quick filtration and a sleek look, it's a convenient solution for apartment living. Moving on, if you're seeking the best water filtration system for apartment use and want cleaner water straight from your tap, then the clearly filtered 3-stage under-sink water filter is an easy upgrade for any apartment kitchen. This system tucks neatly under your sink, out of sight, out of mind, while giving you constant access to filtered water for drinking, cooking, and even cleaning. What sets this filter apart is its powerful 3-stage process. The first filter, made from coconut carbon, goes to work cutting down on common contaminants and unpleasant tastes, especially chlorine. After that, the 2 additional filters combine advanced materials and absorption to capture and remove over 232 contaminants like lead, fluoride, PFAs, and more, all without stripping away the good minerals you want. You won't need special tools or a plumber. Just a wrench is enough for a quick install, and since you keep your regular faucet, there's no need for a separate tap or a bulky pitcher. Designed for tap water, it's fully DIY and portable, which makes it great for renters who might need to reinstall when moving. Maintenance is straightforward. Each set of filters lasts up to a year in a typical home, so you'll only need to change them annually. The build uses BPA-free medical-grade materials and 3/8 of an inch stainless steel braided lines for added safety and durability. Plus, everything is certified by third-party labs and built in the USA, providing peace of mind about the water in your apartment. So, what is the best water filter for apartment use? Overall, I'd say that the popular and reliable AquaTru Classic is the best apartment water filter on the market. If you're looking for a water filter that's simple to use in your apartment, the AquaTru Classic stands out with its countertop design. It doesn't need any plumbing or complicated installation. Just plug it in, twist in the filters, and start filling the removable tank with tap water. The compact size fits easily on most countertops, making it great for smaller spaces. With its patented 4-stage reverse osmosis process, you'll get a thorough filtration that goes beyond many standard filters. The stages include a mechanical pre-filter, an activated carbon pre-filter, a high-efficiency reverse osmosis membrane, and a coconut shell carbon filter. This process removes a wide range of contaminants like lead, chromium-6, chlorine, and even challenging chemicals like PFAs and nitrates. You won't have to guess when to change filters because there are digital alerts to keep you updated. The filters are easy to change. Just twist them out and in without any hassle. Each set of filters lasts for up to 2 years and replaces thousands of plastic bottles, helping you cut down on waste and save money over time. The dispensing button makes it quick to fill your glass or bottle, and the clean water tank is removable so you can keep it in the fridge for chilled water anytime. With the AquaTru Classic, you get clean, great tasting water at the press of a button, all from a unit you can take with you if you move. And there you have it, my list of the best water filters for apartments. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe. Again, the links to each product are in the description box below.